What's up guys, Dado here, and today I will be reviewing the Longevity ForceCut 62i plasma cutter. A couple of days ago we were filming the motorcycle customization series and we were really excited to get the packages open, so let's check that footage out.
Alright teens, what do we got? What is this?
A plasma cutter.
Is this the plasma cutter?
Yeah.
Holy Lord.
Maybe one of our series, she can actually cut something with it.
I think we should have teens cut something.
Oh yeah, in a bikini.
Because Simon was saying it was super easy. That it was super easy to use.
What is that, teens?
Look at that thing, dude.
Do you even know what that is?
Plasma cutter.
You know, it's an air plasma cutter.
Plasma cutter.
It's an air plasma cutter.
Oh, she knows
Wow.
more than you do.
Wow.
Hey, we're gonna pull that sucker out or what?
Want to see it?
Yeah.
Alright.
Jarrett can't lift it. I might need to help him. Holy crap.
Oh my god.
That is nice.
No, here. Oh my Lord. Look at this thing. Dude, Simon.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
So if you guys want some high quality welding stuff, Longevity Welding, again, it'll be linked in the description below. Huge thank you to Simon. Dado's kitted out now. Look at that thing.
Where's that? Teens, where does that go?
Where did those go, teens?
I did one ear and then one ear.
On that note, I'm excited to use the ground clamp. Let's check this thing out. One of the features of the Longevity unit is the front panel cover, which helps keep dirt and debris away from the panel surface while in use. On the front, you will see the power light indicator, the temperature indicator in case of overload. There is a tip air light, and that is a light that comes on if the pressure goes below the set threshold, and a pilot indicator. This starts and stops automatically if your workpiece is not completely solid. We have the run and set switch, and here you set the pressure that you want the unit to operate at and flip it to run, and the unit will keep that pressure consistently during the cutting. And lastly, we have the amperage knob that goes from 20 to 60 amps. On the rear of the unit, we have the power switch, a water separator, pressure gauge, and an air regulator. We also have the power lead, which is a 220 volt plug. And the water separator has a line that has been specifically run down to the bottom of the machine, so when you expel the excess water from the water separator, it does not get inside the unit. Here's a better angle of the pressure gauge, which is located on the side of the unit. To adjust pressure, pull on this knob and turn it to desired pressure. Set the knob back down in its place. Now, let's go through plugging the leads into the unit. Here, we have the torch lead with a very nice cover on there, which you should keep. Remove the cover. And the unit will have a guide. Press firmly and turn the threaded nut until it's tight. Next, we'll plug in the ground clamp. The ground clamp is a small DIMS connector, which plugs in and turns firmly. If you have a CNC table, you can utilize the CNC plug. Here we have a 1/8 inch thick steel, that's clean. We have a 1/4 inch angle iron steel, that's oily and rusty. We have a 3/8 inch steel. And also, I have a stud that is 1 1/4 inch diameter right here. We're going to attempt to cut that as well. Let's see how longevity does. Here we go, here's the results. Here's our 1/8 inch. Cut really nice. Here is 1/4 inch. No problem. Our 3/8. Beautiful. And finally, 1 1/4. There you have it, guys. Longevity ForceCut 62i plasma cutter. This thing performs as well as it looks. If you want to learn more about longevity products, please visit the link below and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. See you on the flip side.